Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft Office for free, right? So you have to just open your Windows laptop or computer. Here on the search bar you have to type Windows Store, right? Once you do it, you will find this option here. Just click on it, or you can just click on open, right? And it will take a very few seconds to open your Windows Store here. Right now, here on the top search bar, you can just type here Microsoft. Let me Microsoft 365, right? You will get a suggestion and you can just tap on it. Once you're here, you will get this option Microsoft 365 Office, right? Just click on this, right? And once you click on this, if it is already installed, right, then it will show you an option of open. I've already installed, so it will just take a few minutes depending upon your internet connectivity, and it will get downloaded and you will get an option of open. So once I click on open here, it will ask me to log in. Of course, you need to have a Microsoft account here, right? Then you will able to log in. You can see this is my ID and then I'm able to log in. So here I have not completely downloaded it, right? So if you want to use Microsoft Office completely, because they offer a lot of things, so you can just click on Microsoft Buy 365, and here you will get the plans to buy for it, right? So according to your plan, you will get a 25 code, right? And you can just enter it and your Microsoft 365 Office will get activated, right? So this is how you can just download and install Microsoft Office 365 step-by-step tutorial. I hope you found this video very useful. If it did, subscribe.